Virtualization fundamentals. This topic explains how virtualization lets one physical system host multiple independent environments. Think of it like dividing one house into separate apartments, each with its own occupant. Server virtualization uses hypervisors to run multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Each VM operates with its own operating system and resources, isolated from the others. Containers go further by sharing the host OS but isolating applications, like separate rooms with shared utilities. VRFs, or virtual routing and forwarding, virtualize routing tables, allowing multiple networks to coexist on the same hardware. These approaches improve efficiency, scalability, and cost-effectiveness in IT infrastructure. They also enable rapid deployment, testing, and segmentation without new hardware. Virtualization is now central to modern data centers, cloud computing, and network design.